Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.